Hello friends, this is Mohammad Awais Malik and welcome to my technological world, your on YouTube tech channel. Today we discuss about upcoming Xiaomi Redmi K30. Let's have a look. A few days ago, Weibing, general manager of Redmi, Xiaomi's sub-brand, revealed that the upcoming Redmi K30 will support the 5G connection when it comes out. There was some speculation that the device would make its appearance this year, but the company soon tried to get it in order and announced the actual release date of the product. Through Chinese social network Weibo, Redmi has revealed that the K30 will hit the market in 2020 without specifying however the month. With the launch of the Redmi K30 5G smartphone, more people will be able to buy a 5G smartphones. That's because Redmi is known for its smartphone that value great value. HMD Global, as we talk about here at Canal Tech, also plans to announce an affordable Nokia 5G smartphone next year, which should make things even better. In addition to the 5G support, the phone will also come with a punch display, which would be a first from Xiaomi. Weibing shared a teaser of the device on his Weibo profile, and it's appear to have a similar setup to the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, with a dual front camera in the top right corner. The Redmi K30 should come alongside the Redmi K30 Pro, which will also have a 5G support. However, while the Pro has no problem with the chipset being used Snapdragon 865, the normal K30 should suffer a little as there is no mid-range processor with a 5G modem. However, this should be resolved in the coming months as Qualcomm or MediaTek are due to announce an intermediate SoC to this end soon. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the fresh news regarding upcoming Xiaomi Redmi K30. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, My Technological World, and stay blessed. Peace out. Take care. Bye bye.